Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to change your Zalando country. Now if you want to change the Zalando country but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you want to change the Zalando country and keep it on different country and use the product and services of that country, then you need to simply open the Zalando app on your device and make sure that you have installed the Zalando app and logged into your account. So it may take some time. So as you can see, this is the home page of Zalando, where you will see various options on the bottom taskbar, as well as the option like fashion, stories, care, nutrients, sports, and all at the very upper taskbar. Now after that you'll see the option of profile icon at the very bottom right. So click on the option of profile. So here you'll see the option of orders, returns, personal details, gift cards, settings, and all. So click on the option of app setting, and here at the very top you'll see the option of country. So click on the option of country, and here you'll see the various options like Germany, Netherlands, France, Italy, United Kingdom, Austria, and all. Now you need to select the country which you want to change to. So let's say if I want to change the United Kingdom, I'll simply click on the option of United Kingdom. Now I need to simply sign into my account again. So click on the option of continue. So as you can see, I have already been signed into my account. So after that you'll be able to use the fashion services and all other things from the country which you have selected. So that's it. That's how you can change the country on Zalando. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.